What's up, y'all? Got the unboxing of this hood that we drove and took a little field trip to go get. Yeah, put it on.
Y'all got it. Now let me have a box.
Went with the 2-inch cow hood. Some of the stuff out there, I can see it better. I'll be hating when you have that extra something.
Oh.
One ain't rolled or nothing. That ain't check. That ain't good. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's like a motor.
It's finna look nice.
You doing, yeah. Your uncle crazy. No, he ain't lying. It's supposed to be nice. He ain't lying. Yes, we're excited. So, what process have you done, or progress have you done? The roof is all done. Oh, look at that. Got that roof. He doing good. It's all metal, yes, down to the metal. Yes, so now your uncle he has to go ahead and prime this down as well now. And fill in places that he needs to, but it looks real good. Oh, baby's pieces. Oh, miss my baby. Miss my baby. Yes, y'all. Yes. Fast to get it going. Bro's cousins. It's gonna be nasty too.
Better than trying to work another hood. Oh, cause I be hating that. Hurry up, slap me, boy, no more. That's the old hood right there. That's the new.
Oh, to new. To new? To oh. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a lot better. It was worth the 3-hour drive. And I hope y'all enjoyed that car show for the last one, the last video, because that was us picking up the hood. But we weren't just to show y'all what we were picking up until this video. So we hope that you like this like 3-minute nice and tight little video on what's going on with Sassy, because Sassy coming, and she coming real strong. So if y'all see this video, make sure y'all go on and share. And baby, what else?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see them on the what?
On the next video.
Bro, tell them peace.
Peace.